In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and crop an image with curved edges on your website. We'll start inside your site builder. Look toward the right side of your screen for the option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to open the editor so you can make changes to your page. This takes you into the workspace where you can add and modify content. Once you're in the editor, find the control that lets you add content blocks. It's typically called Add Elements. Click Add Elements to open the menu of items you can place on your page. You'll see options like text, buttons, galleries, and more. For this tutorial, we want to add a picture, so choose Image from that list. After selecting Image, you'll be prompted to pick where the image comes from. Choose Upload Images to bring in a new file rather than using a stock or previously uploaded asset. Then, select Upload from Computer. This opens your device's file browser, letting you pick a photo stored locally. For best results, choose a high-quality image in a common format like JPG or PNG. Larger images give you more flexibility when cropping without losing clarity. Navigate to your folder, click the photo you want, and confirm the selection. The upload may take a moment depending on file size and your connection. When it finishes, you'll see the image placed on your page or available in your media library. Next, click Crop. Cropping lets you refine the framing, remove distractions, and set the exact focus you want. You'll see handles or a box you can adjust. Keep an eye on the subject's position. Centering or using the rule of thirds can make the image feel more balanced. If your platform shows a preview of how it will look on different devices, use that to ensure it still looks great on smaller screens. Now click Shape Crop. This tool applies a mask to your image so it appears in a specific shape rather than a standard rectangle. From the shape options, choose the curve edges style. This gives your image softly rounded corners, which can make your design feel friendlier and more modern. Adjust the intensity of the curve if controls are available. Subtle rounding often looks professional, while stronger rounding can create a playful feel. Review the result to make sure important details aren't clipped. If needed, you can toggle back to crop to nudge the framing a bit. Then return to Shape Crop. Once you're happy, you're done. Your image now has clean curved edges and is ready to enhance your page.